Oh, hello everyone. Today I have a great mistake. I took the video to cut this tree. This is camellia tree, and I had done to maintenance this tree, but cannot take the video. Oh, I have a mistake to take the video, but okay. Next I will do this to cut. It's done all human power. It's round. Okay. And next, this one. This is small one. It's funny. It's good. Oh, round trimming. And next this one. Oh, it is hard to. This is okay. And this one. All down human power. Oh. Oh, it's like Berber. Oh, very interesting. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Japanese maintenance scissors for my Japanese cutting. Oh, round it, cut round it. Oh, cut round it. This is very cute one. Oh, I got tired, so it's end. Oh, it's a vines of wisteria. Oh, and there are many flowers. Oh my God, oh, still blooming. Oh, oh, this is very good, beautiful. Oh. Today is a very good sunny spring day. Oh, the nature, the sunlight, the sky is blue, and very good day. Oh. The camellia, oh, started to bloom. Oh, started to bloom. Oh, soon it's blooming. Oh, and many dandelion is flowering on my garden. Oh, hello, hello, good day, hello. I'm always working on Japanese company of driving a truck, but today it's the minister said me, oh, today it's no work. Oh, so I'm rest and introduce my garden. Oh, it's good. I'm very happy to introduce my garden all over the world. The nature is so great. The color of trees and flowers is so beautiful contrast. I'm enjoying this, my garden. Oh, this contrast is very good. Oh, this is a place of, oh, this is a place of, oh, cat sleeping yesterday. Oh, this is cat space. Oh, insect is flying. Many insect is flying. About its shipping. Very good. Oh, peaceful time for me. The earth, the nature is so great. I'm very happy to introduce this garden. Oh. Oh, hello.